The American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, AASHTO, has been an industry leader since its founding back in 1914 at the dawn of the nation's highway system. And for the first time, a woman sits at the very top of the association. Susan Martinovich voted AASHTO president for 2011.
So to be selected to lead an organization of such true professionals with the dedication and compassion that they have, it's very inspiring but also very humbling.
While past AASHTO presidents have had multiple emphasis areas or presidential priorities, Martinovich says her single focus will be to support the goal of gaining passage of a robust, multi-year surface transportation bill.
An investment in transportation is an investment in the future. It's an investment in the economy. It puts people to work, not just directly putting the people to work, but it's indirectly. You've got goods and materials that the contractors are buying. You have the pre-construction, the engineering firms leading up to the construction. During the work, you have indirect costs. And the beauty of transportation is that once you're done, you have a product that people can see, touch, feel, and it benefits thousands of people for a lot of years.
Martinovich, a licensed professional engineer, credits her success to a good foundation of family and education.
I grew up in Carson City, Nevada, which at that time was about 5,000 people. And, you know, had great childhood, great family, great friends, and went to high school and started in the math and science courses.
Martinovich began her career with INDOT in the late 1980s as a rotation engineer. She was soon promoted into the bridge division, designing several structures throughout the state. By 1993, Martinovich was working full-time as principal design engineer, responsible for the early development of many of the major new freeway projects now under construction in the state. In 1999, she was promoted to the director's office as Assistant Director of Engineering, responsible for 6 pre-construction engineering divisions, including design, safety, and environmental. In 2003, Martinovich was promoted to Deputy Director, Chief Engineer, assisting the director in the daily operations of the department. Then in 2007, she took over the department as INDOT Director.
I knew the department, and I believe that the Department of Transportation and that just transportation agencies in general are the best agencies to work for. The passion and the dedication of the staff, no matter what they're doing, they want to come to work and do a good job.
Martinovich says the transportation challenges she faces in Nevada are as varied as the state is wide.
I think Nevada represents a snapshot of a lot of states. We have very large urban area, Las Vegas, one of the fastest growing cities in the nation. Big challenges along the I-15 corridor, goods movements, so we have a variety of challenges in Las Vegas. Very large and expansive rural areas. We're a big state, a lot of road to cross to get from one place to the other. We have temperature variations, large snows up in northern Nevada, extreme heat in southern Nevada, everything in between before. So we have some big challenges that we need to address that a lot of the other states do too. But our biggest challenge as an INDOT or as a Department of Transportation is getting the word out about what we do.
Those who know Martinovich best use words like confident, experienced, passionate, and resolved to describe her. And despite the nation's current economic woes, she uses these words to paint an optimistic view of transportation's future.
I think now is a wonderful and really exciting time. It's really easy to be a leader and do good things when things are going well. And I think now some great opportunities to push the envelope and to get something different and to really move forward for the sake of transportation. I'm excited.
Susan Martinovich, AASHTO President for 2011.